go. Stevie Wonder, isn't she lovely? Back to his daughter, that was when she was just a few weeks old, and there was a little section in it where they had a baby crying. It was her that was crying, wasn't it?
I never knew that before.
It's rather irrelevant. Really. It's just one of those DJ moments. Right, let's talk about the very serious subject of wills. But before we do that, let's talk about, because there's a week, isn't there? There's a charity. Go on, please explain.
Well, there's a couple actually running through October.
Okay.
There's one from the 9th of October till the 13th, which is Nightingale House, which is of course a local charity here in Wrexham, which they are running, and we will do person's will for free, in return for a donation to Nightingale House.
Brilliant. Okay.
And there is a minimum donation. I think it's about £80 for a single will.
Yeah, that's fine.
And about 120, 130, I think, for mirror wills.
Okay.
For the wife, so.
Yeah. Okay. That's fantastic.
So
that's the Nightingale House. So that money, or part of that, is going as a donation to the charity.
Well, it goes direct to the charity. We don't take any.
Wow. Fantastic. Okay. Brilliant. Yeah. So that should inspire people to actually do it, because we talked about this before. It is one of those horrible subjects. We all put it off. It's just, I don't know, you just don't feel...
Well, no, and I think people do bury their heads in the sand.
Yeah, of course they do. Yeah.
So, but it's a good opportunity to come and make your will and do some good for charity.
Absolutely, you're doing it for somebody else then, which is a nice thing. Okay, fantastic. So go on. Yeah, there's that one which is Nightingale House.
That's Nightingale House, and as I say, that's local to Wrexham really. And then there's one that's running nationally actually, and that's with what's called capacity marketing, and they support a number of charities.
Right.
So the likes of the RNLI, Breast Cancer UK, and a few others as well.
Okay.
And that one operates so that you can actually choose which one you benefit.
Okay.
So it's not one single charity; it's a number of different charities.
Right.
That runs throughout October.
Okay.
So I think the press releases will be going out shortly on that one.
Wow.
And we're also taking part in that. And again, you don't get charged anything on that one.
Right.
But the intention is that you make a
donation.
Well, not necessarily a donation, but you leave a legacy in your will.
Right. So okay. Well, that's a clever idea. Yeah. That's a clever idea, because we've all got passions of different things. It can be the RNLI. And whatever, and if there's a choice of different charities, then do you know what? I don't think there's that many of us that wouldn't choose to put something towards charity in the event of our death. I think 90. Would you agree with that? I mean, you're seeing people all the time writing wills. Is that quite often the case that they'll say, and I'd like to leave this?
Especially if they've been affected by it.
Yeah, of course.
Quite often get named, obviously, with cancer being as prone as it is. But yeah, you get to choose on that one, so it's not a specific charity, so you can name whichever one you want, and you can give them a share of the residue of your estate, or you can give them a fixed amount of money. Okay. It's completely up to you how much or how little you donate towards that charity.
Wow. But
in return, they pay us a very small nominal fee to do the will for you.
Right, okay.
But again, you don't get charged for that. That comes from the
So, very busy month for you.
Yes, it's going to be hectic.
Yeah.
So as soon as the press releases go out, certainly on the second one I've mentioned, then...
because that's going to be for the whole month, isn't it? You know, I'm not quite sure if Nightingale House have chosen the right month to do it then, but there must be a logic behind that. They must feel as if, well, it's a whole, you know...
They were doing that before we got involved with cancer, with capacity marketing.
Right, okay. So it's a chicken and egg. They were actually before then.
First, and it's only in the last few years we've been involved in the capacity marketing one, but it's always a very popular scheme. As you can imagine.
Yeah, but it would be because people choose different things.
Yeah.
I found that with my bike trips that, you know, there was an awful lot of interest in, you touched on the word before, the cancer research. Lots of people are affected by that, so therefore the donations were really high for that. Then I did this last trip for Clare House, which is a Wirral-based children's hospice, and although everybody's more than willing to help, it is different, you know. People have got different. The
only specification with this second one is that you have to be 55 years or over to do it.
Right, okay.
So you have to sign a declaration to say that you're over 55.
Right, okay. No, that completely excludes me. Did you say over 55 or under?
55.
Oh, there's another senior moment. Yeah, okay, I qualify for that as well, yeah.
Obviously it only covers very basic wills.
Yeah, of course it does. Of course it does. Well, we're going to talk more about the intricacies of wills coming up now, because that is critical. And you've hit one of the biggest nails on the head there, really. There is a huge difference between a very basic, straightforward will, which incidentally does apply to many, many, many people, But once you get complexities of remarriage and all the rest of it, it becomes very, very complicated, doesn't it? So we'll talk a little bit about that in a second or two. In the meantime, we're going to fly back, or we're going to zoom back, or we're going to do whatever we're going to do. Back to 1969, we're going to listen to Bee Gees, Don't Forget to Remember. Beautiful song, this one. Cool, that's ace. A lot of them are really Bee Gees. Yeah, yes, that's fine. So just